Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send Slack notifications for new MailChimp subscriber. So imagine this, you have created a new subscriber called as John in MailChimp. So you have John's name, email address and all those details. So you want to notify your team members about John on Slack. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from MailChimp, sort them out, compose a message and manually paste it on Slack. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome considering you will add many subscribers in MailChimp. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new subscriber is added in MailChimp, it will automatically send notifications on Slack. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate MailChimp and Slack. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So this is my MailChimp profile. Okay, so as you can see, this is the dashboard of my MailChimp and I'm going to add a subscriber here. So let's say the name of the subscriber is Rachel Green. Okay, Rachel Green 123 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so this is the email and this is the first name, that is Rachel, and the last name is Green. Okay. And these are the address related details of Rachel Green. So that has been added. Then we have the birth date as 0423. Okay, and of course this person has given me permission to email them. And let me just click on subscribe. So the idea is that once a subscriber is added in MailChimp, it will be reflected as a message in Slack. So what I'm going to do here is, so as you can see, we have added Rachel Green as a subscriber in MailChimp. So let me just go to Slack and see. Yes, we do have the subscriber. So as the message is showing, new subscriber added, name is Rachel, the last name is Green. This is the email rachelgreen123 at the rate gmail.com. The address is Bangalore City. So basically this is the gist. Anytime a new subscriber is added in MailChimp, it will be reflected as a message in Slack. So to begin the actual integration process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Because we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate MailChimp and Slack. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so there is something else I want to show you. So as you can see, I already have made an integration, that is MailChimp integration. So this is the workflow and that is why we have got the result, because we added a subscriber here and we have got the result here. Now I'm going to toggle this to the left so that I can switch this workflow off. This is because if I'm going to build another workflow, it will give two results in Slack. Okay, so we don't want to confuse it. So what I'm going to do here is at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow, click this. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now I will add the link of this workflow in the description box so you can clone it. Now coming to the window, here we have to mention a name. So I'm going to give it as MailChimp to Slack. Okay, so let me just click on create. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. Okay, so this window is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as MailChimp, because we want to send the data from MailChimp. That is why. MailChimp it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new subscriber? Okay, so new subscriber is a trigger event. There are many more trigger events like new unsubscriber, new campaign, profile updates, cleaned email, all of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I'm just going to send the data when a new subscriber is made in MailChimp. So what I'm going to do here is we are basically trying to integrate MailChimp to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to MailChimp. So first of all, let me just click on audience dashboard. Okay, so here you will find at the right side manage audience. Click this and under the drop down you will find the option called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, so let me just scroll down and here you will find the option called as webhooks. Click this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new webhook. Just click on the right button, click on create new webhook. Okay, so we are going to create a new webhook. So in the first, it is asking me to enter the callback URL. So basically this is your webhook URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to get the webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, let me just copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the callback URL or the webhook URL. Now basically it is now asking what type of event should it send the data. So basically we only want to send the data when a new subscriber is added in MailChimp. So apart from this, I'm going to uncheck all of these boxes. Okay, I have unchecked it. Now there is one more thing. It is asking me when should the change or when should the data should be made, by a subscriber or by the account admin. So basically in the beginning example we had added the subscriber by myself. Okay, so that was by an account admin. Now in case if the subscriber add himself in MailChimp as a subscriber, as a subscriber, then also the data will be sent. Okay, so let me just click on save. Okay, so basically at this point we have integrated MailChimp to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new subscriber is added in MailChimp, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to MailChimp, okay, going to all contacts, and I'm going to create a new contact. Okay, so let me just click on add contact, add a subscriber. So how about we add the person as Chandler Bling 12345 at the rate gmail.com. So this is the name, this is the first name Chandler, the last name is Bing or Bingy, and the address related details I'm mostly auto-filling it. Okay, and the birthday is on 4th, again 12. Okay, and this person has given me permission to email them. Okay, so let me just click on subscribe. Okay, so a person called as Chandler Bing 12345 has been added into my subscriber as a subscriber in MailChimp. So let us explore, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with MailChimp, has it captured this data or not? Okay, yes, as you can see, the data has been captured. So we have the email, that is Chandler Bing 12345 at the rate gmail.com. Then we have the email then we have the name as Chandler, the last name is Bingy, and then we have the address line 2, the city, the state, the zip code, the country, and the phone number, and of course the birthday. So basically we have got all the details of Chandler Bing from MailChimp. And what we are going to do here is I'm going to make my team members aware of this new subscriber in MailChimp on Slack. Now to integrate Slack with MailChimp and Pabbly Connect, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. So here I'm going to mention it as Slack, okay, because we want to send the data to Slack, that is why. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message without image. Okay, send channel message without image is an action event. There are many more action events like send channel message with image, create channel, invite users to channel, send private channel message. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now in case if you want more action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present I just want to send a channel message without image. So basically what we are going to do here is we are just going to click on connect with Slack. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Slack. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is demanding access to Pabbly Connect workspace. So before we click on access to Slack, there is something I need to tell you. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. So as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to compose a message in Slack from the data that we have received from MailChimp via Pabbly Connect. So before we start mapping, let's introduce the channel. So as you can see, we do have a channel called as general, and when we expand this, in the drop down we will find all the channels that is present in my Slack account. So as you can see, these are all the channels that is present in my Slack account. Now what I'm going to do here is, for your consideration, I'm going to create one more channel. Okay, create a new channel. So the name of the channel will be MailChimp subscriber channel. Okay, so this is the name of the channel. Let me just click on create. Okay, so I'm going to add 3 members. These are my team members to my channel. So I'm added 3 members to my channel, and I have clicked on done. So a new channel called as MailChimp subscriber channel has been created. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on refresh. So when I click on refresh, I can expect to find the newly created channel in the drop down. So let me just see. So we have MailChimp subscriber channel. Yes. Okay, so this is because we have integrated Pabbly Connect to Slack. So basically in this particular channel, we will be sending the message. Now coming to the message tab, let's keep it as plain text. Now in the message, I'm just going to type a simple message. Hello, team members. New subscriber added. Okay, so basically after new subscriber added, I will ensure that all the details of the subscriber is added in a new line. So here I'm just going to enter /n. So basically this will introduce a new line, and first name, I'm sorry. And here let me just map in the name. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the data that we have received from MailChimp. So the first name is Chandler, and I'm going to introduce the last name again in the next line. So /n it is last name. Okay, /name, last name is Bingy. Then we have the email. Okay, so this is the email and this is the email. Okay, the first name, the last name, the email. Then we have what else do we have? Okay, we can also add the address, city. Okay, that would be sufficient if we add this much details. Okay, so 1 minute. So where is our address? The address state is Bangalore city. Okay, so we have mapped it. Okay, so I think we are ready. A very small, sweet and small, simple message. So hello team members, new subscriber added. The first name Chandler, the last name Bingy. The email is chandlerbing12345@gmail.com. The city is Bangalore city. Now coming to the bot name, I'm going to introduce myself as Michael. Okay, so since I'm going to keep it as static, the bot will always show the name as Michael. Okay, that won't be a problem. Now coming to the bot icon, we don't have any data regarding that, so I'm just going to ignore it. Now in case if you want to add any bot icon, all you have to do is enter the image URL here. Okay, so at present I just want to send the message, so let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the message has been sent. So let's have a look. Yes, we do have got the proper message. Hello team members, new subscriber added. First name is Chandler, the last name is Bingy, the email is chandlerbing12345@gmail.com. The city is Bangalore city. Excellent. So the presence of this message shows that we have successfully integrated MailChimp and Slack with help of Public Connect. So now before you end this, how about I explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to minimize this action window and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated MailChimp to Public Connect, and then you have integrated Public Connect to Slack. So now there's a perfect flow of data between MailChimp and Slack.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Public Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.